Hello food enthusiasts, welcome back to the AI channel. Today we're diving into the savory world of meat and exploring some essential tips and techniques to elevate your culinary game. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook looking to enhance your meat dishes, these quick tips are here to guide you. Let's get cooking. 1. Selecting the perfect cut. Begin with choosing the right cut of meat. Whether it's beef, poultry, pork or lamb, understanding different cuts and their characteristics is crucial. Consider factors like marbling for tenderness and flavor, and choose cuts that match the cooking method you have in mind. 2. Seasoning for flavor. Seasoning is key to a mouth-watering meat dish. Experiment with a variety of herbs, spices and marinades to enhance the natural flavors of the meat. Don't forget to season generously and consider dry brining for optimal flavor penetration. 3. Perfecting the sear. Master the art of the sear for a beautiful crust and flavor development. Ensure your meat is dry before placing it in a hot pan or grill. Let it sear without disturbance to achieve that coveted golden brown exterior. This technique locks in juices and enhances the overall taste. 4. Utilizing different cooking methods. Explore various cooking methods to unleash the potential of your meat. Grilling, roasting, braising and sous vide each offer unique advantages. Learn when to use each method to achieve the desired texture and flavor for different cuts of meat. 5. Resting for juiciness. Allow your meat to rest after cooking to ensure juiciness and tenderness. Resting allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, preventing them from spilling out when sliced. Cover your meat loosely with foil and let it rest for a few minutes before serving. There you have it, a quick guide to mastering meat for delightful culinary creations. I hope these tips inspire you to explore the world of flavors and textures that meat can offer. Share your favorite meat cooking techniques in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe for more culinary adventures. Thanks for joining me, and until next time, may your meals be flavorful and your kitchen be filled with delicious aromas.